Okay, hello and good day everyone. No? So today we are going to discuss about the parallel and perpendicular lines. Okay. Now, what is the difference between parallel and perpendicular lines? Okay. So as a review, parallel lines are two or more coplanar lines that do not intersect and their slopes are equal. So ito yung two lines na never mag-intersect until infinity. No, kahit ganong kalayo na kahit ganong kahaba na yung mga lines na to, yung distance nila hindi magbabago. Okay, hindi sila mag-intersect or magbi-meet. Okay, example of parallel lines, no? To, never yan magbi-meet. Okay, kasi nga yung distance dito sa mga points na to is equal to this distance also. Kaya never sila magmi-meet. While yung perpendicular lines, now these are two intersecting lines forming a right angle and their slopes are negative reciprocal. Okay, example of this one, no? Yan ang perpendicular lines, no? Per intersecting line na kung saan nagfo-form ng right angles, no? Yan. Dito. Now, equation of the line, okay? If the slopes of two lines L sub 1 and L sub 2 are equal, that is if M sub 1 is equal to M sub 2 and B sub 1 is not equal to B sub 2, then they are parallel. Meaning to say, no, kapag yung two lines, no, okay, equal yung slope nila pero yung y-intercept nila are not, no, therefore these two lines are parallel. Okay? If the slopes of two lines naman, okay, of L sub 1 and L sub 2 are negative reciprocals, that is, your M sub 1 times M sub 2 is equal to negative 1, or if M sub 2 is equal to negative 1 or by M sub 1, and M sub 1 times M sub 2 equal to M sub 1 times negative 1 over by M sub 1, no, is equal to negative 1 also, then these two lines are perpendicular. Okay? So yung slopes dito nila are negative reciprocal. No? Ibig sabihin, uh, reciprocal siya and then may negative sign sa isang slope. Okay? So perpendicular lines 'yon. Let us have an example. Which of the following is parallel and perpendicular to 2x minus 3y equal to 4? No? A, 4x minus 6y equal to 15. B, 3x plus 2y equal to 5. Okay? So to find it out, the first thing to do is to find the slope of 2x minus 3y equal to 4. Hanapin muna natin yung slope nito. Okay? Okay. Now to find it, we will use the slope intercept form or y equals to mx plus b. I-rewrite natin tong equation na to into this form. Okay, where in your m here is this slope. Now, transpose. Now, transpose 2x to the other side, then we have negative 3y equal to negative 2x plus 4. Okay, divide both sides by negative 3. I cancel this out. Then we have y is equals to negative 2 divided by negative 3 is positive 2/3 x. Okay, positive 4 divided by negative 3 is negative 4/3. Now, your m here is the 2/3 na ito. Itong 2/3 na to. Kasi yung m katabi ng x eh. So yung number na katabi ng x, yun ang magiging slope. Okay? Kasama tong 3 na denominator. While itong 4/3 naman, ito naman yung b or known as the y-intercept. Okay? So kailangan din natin kunin yung y-intercept nila. Kasi nga, sabi doon, pag parallel sila, ibig sabihin dapat yung slope equal and then yung y-intercept are not. Kasi once na equal na yung slope, equal pa yung y-intercept, therefore those two lines are not perpendicular, not parallel, but rather they are coinciding lines. Pag sinabing coinciding lines, way back doon sa system of linear equations, nagpapatong na lines, no? Nagpapatong sila, hindi sila parallel, nagpapatong lang. Okay? So just make sure na yung y-intercept is not equal. Okay, now, since yung slope natin, no, is 2/3. Okay, yan, lagay natin dito. Hanapin naman natin yung slope ng letter A, no? Or yung line 4x minus 6y equal to 15. Okay, again, to find this slope, no, write it in a slope intercept form, no? Transpose 4x to the other side, we have negative 6y equal to negative 4x plus 15. Then divide both sides by negative 6, cancel this out, then we have y equal to 4x over by 6. Then 15 divided by negative 6, that is equal to negative 15 over by 6. Okay? So what is this loop? I mean, kunin natin yung yung lowest term na ito, no? So magiging lowest term ng 4, 6, that is 2/3. Lowest term ng 15 over by 6, that is 5/2. So therefore, the slope of this line, okay, we will name it as m sub 2, is equal to 2/3. O, equal sila. Okay? So for b sub 2 naman, o yung y-intercept is negative 5/2, no? So balikan natin, ha? Balikan natin yung y-intercept. Dapat pala naisama ko dito. O yung y-intercept ng 2x minus 3y equal to 4 is negative 4/3. So they are not equal. Okay? Therefore, since yung slope are equal, while the y-intercept are not, okay, 4x minus 6y equal to 15 is parallel to 2x minus 3y equal to 4. Okay? So parallel sila kasi nga equal yung slope, yung y-intercept hindi. Okay? What about for B? No, for 3x plus 2y equal to 5. Okay? Since yung A naman is parallel, no? I guess letter B is perpendicular. Okay? Pero i-check pa rin natin. Okay? Write it in y equal to mx plus b form, no? Transpose 3x to the other side. Then we have 2y equal to negative 3x plus 5. Divide both sides by 2. Cancel this out. Then we have y is equals to negative 3/2 x plus 5/2. What is m? Ito. Your m sub 2 here is negative 3/2. While your b sub 2 is 5/2, no? As you can see, okay? Kung i-compare natin ito sa m sub 1, no, itong m sub 2, reciprocal siya. Ito 2/3, ito naman 3/2. Then, negative, no? Kasi nga, sabi doon, pag perpendicular, negative reciprocal. Okay? Kung ito naman nag-negative 2/3, so magiging 3/2 na lang to, positive 3/2 na. Kasi negative times negative is positive. Then, get the reciprocal. Okay? Therefore, 3x plus 2y is equal to 5 is perpendicular to 2x minus 3y equal to 4. Now, exercise tayo, no? Tell which of the two lines is parallel and perpendicular to 2x minus 2y equal to 3. Okay? So for the first line, we have 6x minus 6y equal to 15. Okay? To find it out, no? Get the slope of 2x minus 2y equal to 3. Okay? Write it in slope intercept form. We have negative 2y equal to negative 2x plus 3. Divide both sides by negative 2. Then we have y is equal to negative 2 divided by negative 2 is 1 times x is x. Then 3 divided by negative 2 is negative 3/2. What is this slope? We have 1. Walang nakalagay na number, automatic 1 ang slope. Okay? So, ganun lang. Next, nakuha na natin yung slope. Okay, lagay natin dito. Now, kunin natin yung slope na itong 6x minus 6y equal to 15. Okay, transpose 6x to the other side. We have negative 6y equal to negative 6x plus 15. Divide both sides by negative 6. Okay, cancel out. Then we have y is equal to negative 6 divided by negative 6 is 1 times x is x. 15 divided by negative 6, that is negative 15 over by 6. Okay, what is this loop? We have also 1. Equal sila, no? Kung babalikan natin yung y-intercept, they are not equal also kasi nga yung y-intercept is 3/2. I mean negative 3/2. Therefore, this line is parallel to 2x minus 2y equal to 3. Okay? Next, dito naman, 2x plus 2y equal to negative 7. Okay? So para ma-prove natin lang na perpendicular siya, transpose 2x. We have 2y equal to negative 2x minus 7. No? Then divide both sides by 2. Then we have y is equal to negative 2 divided by 2 is negative x, no? Minus 7/2. What is this loop? Negative 1. Okay. Is there negative reciprocal po ba yan? Tanong yan, no? Negative reciprocal ba ng negative 1 is 1? Or yung negative reciprocal ng 1 is negative 1? Yes. Diba? Why? Kung kukunin mo yung fractional form ng 1, 1 over by 1 yan. Pag na-reciprocal mo pa, 1 over 1 pa rin. Siyempre, dapat negative reciprocal, multiply mo by negative, no, magiging negative 1. So negative reciprocal siya. And therefore, 2x plus 2y equal to negative 7 is perpendicular to this line. Okay? Another thing, para mas madali makita kung parallel or negative or perpendicular, no? First thing to do here, no? Mapapansin mo sa 2x, 2y, 6x, 6y. Okay? Parehas sila, no? Ang nagkaiba lang dito kasi nag-times 3 tayo dito sa line na to, no? Yung 2x, pag nag-times 3 ka dyan, 6x yan. Ganun din sa 2y, times 3, 6y yan. Parehas sila ng sign. Automatic parallel yon as long as magkaiba dito. Okay? Yung 3, pag nag-times 3 ka, nag-times 3 ka dyan, 9 lang yon. Okay? So ito 15, automatic parallel siya. Pero kung 9 din to, ay hindi yung parallel. Coinciding lines yon. Okay? For perpendicular lines naman, no? Kasi parehas kasi yung tuto eh. Okay? O, tingnan natin. Balikan ko yung example para mag-gets nyo yung ibig nyo sabihin. O, ito. Ay, di. O, dito. 2x minus 3y equal to 4. 3x plus 2y equal to 5. Okay? Dito, yung numerical coefficient ng x is 2. Dito naman is 3. Pagdating sa perpendicular line, nag-interchange sila ng numerical coefficient. Yung x, 3 na yung numerical, yung y, 2 na. Okay? Nagpalit lang sila. Aside from that, no, yung sign, no, dito negative, dito naman positive. No? Kung positive dito, dapat maging negative dito para perpendicular. But since negative to, then this one positive, and then nag-interchange sila ng coefficient, therefore, this line is perpendicular to this. Okay? Without using this for solution, no, this process, doon nyo lang makikita yung perpendicular and parallel lines. Now, by comparing their coefficients. O, the same story dito. O, 2x, 4x, 3y, 6y ay nag-times 2. No? O, 2 times 2x, 4x. 2 times 3y, 6y. 2 times 4 is 8. 15 dito. O, pasok yun. Parallel yun. Kasi hindi nakasunod yung last number. No, yan naman talagang yung y-intercept natin. No, dapat hindi sila equal. Okay. So, that's it, no? That's it for today, no? Thank you for listening. And again, do not forget to answer your exercises. Okay? That's all. Goodbye and God bless.